Hello and welcome to my channel Cooking for One. My name is Ernestine and this channel is dedicated to people who cook for themselves. And if you love chili chocolate, you're gonna love today's salad. It gives you the same kind of oomph. And I will see you in the kitchen. Thank you for sharing and subscribing. Welcome to the kitchen. I've got some peanuts and I'm just going to pour some and chop them in this food processor. I'd use any amount. You can use any kind of nuts you like and enjoy. When you cook to your own taste buds, you are guaranteed to enjoy your food. So, nice, and something like this. Right, now we're going to move that to the side. I've got 3 cooked beetroots. This recipe can be used for breakfast, depending on how you can combine your ingredients. For breakfast you would add mostly raisins and whatever else you can imagine. So now I'm just going to chop these beetroots, and you can grate them, you can cut them into cubes, whatever makes you happy, since you are going to eat it. Beetroots are so good for your gut. You will never be constipated if you eat lots and lots of beetroot. And you feel healthy, you feel good. It's one of the superfoods, apparently, according to the people who specialize in counting what they eat, how they eat it. I choose to eat what I enjoy. And I believe I eat joy then. As long as it's joyous to me. You can add coconut. Make a list of all the things you enjoy in a breakfast cereal if you're going to have this for breakfast. I'm actually making this for lunch today, and I will be adding chili. I like chili, I like hot, I like spicy. But you can do with this as you will. As always, my recipes are just a basic that you can expand and elaborate on and have fun with, and I always love it when you tell me how you did it. It gives me new ideas of what I would like to try. I'm not an expert chef, I'm just an expert at cooking for me, and I love cooking for me. So more or less this is really quick. You can pack it for lunch at work. Now I'm just sprinkling some nuts over it. The rest of the peanuts I will be using in the main meal, which are going to be lovely fried potatoes. Okay. This yogurt, nice and chunky. I like it that way, full of fruit. And just shake some over it. Oh. Divine, absolutely divine. 2 chilies, really nice. I use a pair of kitchen scissors to chop my chilies, because if I don't do that, I sometimes rub my eye, and it's happened to me before, and I've got one big red swollen eye. This way I avoid that kind of hiccup and discomfort. If you remove the seeds from the chili, it's not so hot, it doesn't burn that much, and you can just enjoy the chili flavor. If you're going to pack it for lunch, I would leave it just like that and then stir it, only because now the beetroot is making lovely, beautiful colors in your yogurt, and it just looks so good. I'm going to have it as is, but you are most welcome to add black pepper. Black pepper will set it up beautifully, and anything else you can imagine. And there we go, an absolutely amazing salad. You have to try this before you die. You can skip everything else in your world, but before you die, you have to try this beautiful, nutritious and lovely salad. Thank you so much for being part of my world. Thank you once again for being part of my life. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do, and enjoy a life you love, enjoy a world you enjoy. Thank you once again. Ciao.